Hey guys, in this video we're going to use ceramic coating to make these plastics look a lot better. If you live in a dry climate, you probably have dulling plastics all over your car, like this cowl here, wing mirrors, and even the roof of a convertible. So with dry climates, you can use a little trick called ceramic coating. Normally it's used for paint, so when it rains it kind of just rolls off, but it actually works really well on plastics to remove the dullness and make them look a lot fresh again. Now the difference between ceramic coating and wax and things like that is this is typically applied by hand and it blends with the paint of your car. It doesn't sit as an actual layer, as a sacrificial layer on top of the paint. It actually blends with it and lasts a lot longer than standard wax or anything like that. Now these ceramic coatings, they were about $1.68 each, so quite cheap actually, or $15 on Amazon just for one. Depends where you buy it. I got mine off eBay. The Armor Shield 9 DIY kit is actually $70 for one of these. And when someone did a review on these on YouTube, they didn't really find much difference between the Armor Shield and this. So I thought I'd give this a go. Get a pack of 3 for just under $6. We're gonna see how it looks. So let's work with this wing mirror here. What we want to do is get some soapy water, just spray the area. We want to make sure all the dirt and debris is off here. So once it's all covered, just get a nylon brush or something semi-abrasive. Don't go crazy, this is a nice nylon brush. And that'll really get into the pores and get this dirt off, especially on these cowls as well, or where the texture's a bit bubbly. This is what will get in there and get all the dirt off. So go all the way around. Make sure it's all off and then hose it down with water. Now it's all soap scrubbed and washed off, just wait for the car to dry. Then we'll start applying the ceramic coating. Now with the microfiber towel, you can just apply some of the ceramic coating. You can wrap the microfiber towel around a sponge and that will give it a little bit of friction. You can apply a lot better than just putting a finger behind the towel. It's up to you. So let's apply some of the ceramic coating. Normally when you use this on paint, you don't use a whole lot at all. But with this, it's a lot useful if you apply a bit more than regular paint. It tends to eat it up a bit more. And just put the ceramic coat all the way around the plastic there. Sort of rubbing it in with a little bit of pressure all the way around the plastic, and just work that all the way around there. Right, this is a before. Here's the after. I've applied all 3 on here. Usually you only need about 1 per car, but because it's got a convertible top, it kind of sucked it all in. But there you can see. And here's the cowl. So a lot smoother now. It was kind of looked a bit dry and horrible before. I wouldn't say it's perfect. That's still kind of drying up there. You know, it is a lot better. Here's the other side. The sun's kind of at a different angle from before, so it's hard to see the before and after. Little repair job, ignore that. But yeah, it does look a lot better than before. You know, for about $4 or $5, I'd probably give it a go. It makes the plastic look a lot nicer. Now I've got to wash the car. That's the next step. But yeah, this you can use it on paint, windows, anything like that. Its purpose is for paint, windows, but yeah, it does work on plastics really well too. So yeah, check it out. Let me know how you get on with yours.